So look, once we get that perimeter where we want it, everything level. So once we get that like we want it all the way around, everything looks good. Now we're going to get it under the drain. We're going to throw a blanket out to that corner, take our level, tap it down in place, and then we're going to start screeding this around. All right, so look, we're into it. We're just about done. Believe it or not, that's 2 buckets worth right there. Put a bucket in a bucket, cut the bottom out. That way you can get your 2.5 quarts water ratio to 1 bag right at the rim every time. That way you're mixing this on the dime every rip. But as you can see, where we had that sitting all the way firm, look how it molds. And then you can see where I had my screed board to set that line, and then we started taking everything this way. Once I got over to here, I packed that area, set the screed board down, then backed up and drug that through. So now, as we're going around, everything is perfectly, this is set at 2 degrees, so we're not going to have any problem right here to that drain. All right, there we go. We got it. So look, let me show you. My little miss is because of them little arms down there on the laser, but that's what you're wanting. All the way around. Looks good. See now, oh, what happened here, Tom? Look, I gotta fix a little line right there. I don't know what happened there. But so anyway, you all, that's what we were driving at. It's Friday. This sucker is gonna sit here all the way till Monday. When we walk in here Monday, cover it right up, put our ledger board up, start our tile, right? On the way out on Monday, we'll be wrapping this floor. Coming in on Tuesday, all this is done. We'll start working on tile out here. We'll start working on all this drywall stuff over here where this tub was. We're getting prepared, you know, to do the floor. That way the floor, the deecher of the floor, all that can go in first before we start setting the face on the outside. So that's why we want to start with the inside. Okay, we'll be doing a flood test here. Tomorrow we wrap, next day we flood test. So we've got a couple of days outside of here to get all this wrapped up. My point is, by the time we get done flood testing this and we're ready to tile this, we will. And then right after that is that piece. So it just saves all kinds of time if you sling us down here on a Friday and walk out. And you can come in here and work on Monday and so on. So, usual, you all, appreciate everybody for tuning in. That's it for the day. Happy Friday. Don't forget those Vigo doors. They are coming up. You don't want to miss those. Till the next one.